Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of car detailing with the Saker Mini Cordless Buffer Polisher. This portable polishing machine kit is making waves in the automotive world, and we're here to uncover its features and benefits. Let's get started. Here it is, folks, the Saker Mini Cordless Buffer Polisher. This little powerhouse is designed to make car detailing a breeze. Whether you're a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast, this tool has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. First up, let's talk about portability. Unlike traditional corded polishers, the Saker Mini is cordless, weighing just 2.3 pounds including the battery. This means no more tangled cords or limited range of motion. You can take this polisher anywhere without worrying about finding a power outlet. But don't let its size fool you. This polisher packs a punch with its powerful 4-pole motor, delivering dual-action random orbital motion at speeds of up to 5,000 RPM. Plus, with 6 adjustable speeds, you can customize your polishing experience to suit your needs. And check this out. The Saker Mini comes with 10 attachments, including pads, bonnets, and even a waterproof apron. This all-inclusive kit allows you to tackle a variety of tasks, from polishing and waxing to sanding and more. One of the best features of the Saker Mini is its rechargeable 12 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery. Charging is simple and economical, and for extended performance, you can opt for models with multiple batteries. In summary, the Saker Mini Cordless Buffer Polisher is a game-changer in the world of car detailing. Its lightweight and portable design, powerful motor, and versatile attachments make it a must-have tool for any car enthusiast. Say goodbye to tedious polishing sessions and hello to a showroom-worthy shine with the Saker Mini. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy detailing!